Hola, Peperinos!
What's happening?
Welcome to another episode of the Disney Beams. I'm Cherry.
And I'm Gooch, and Josie's knocked out.
She's asleep. Thank you, Bob Ross.
Yes, Bob Ross. You might hear him in the background.
Yeah, well, I
trees.
usually put like light music in the background, so maybe not.
Yeah, well,
But you know,
Bob Ross is doing his magic right now. He's on Netflix.
Bob
Check
is
him
awesome.
out.
Bob is awesome. So we've got a few things going on. Next Saturday, we're filming this on Sunday. It'll probably go up later tonight too. But Josie has her nationals on Saturday.
Wow.
The Trolls. Wish them luck. And she starts summer dance, and you got some bowling things going on, and
Yep. A couple of weeks we're going to Syracuse.
yeah, that's right. We'll talk about more about that. We'll do a live stream or something, and we'll talk a little bit more about that.
Okay.
But there's a reason why we're here in this video. We're going to answer the monthly question. What's in the box? So this is from our friends at Mickey's Mystery Box.
Mystery Box.
If this is your first time joining us, hello. We picked up a lot of subscribers thanks to the shout out from our friends at Magical Moments for their trip announcement. But we do a monthly Mickey's Mystery Box unboxing. I get the Spoonful of Sugar box, which is their small monthly box. We are not sponsored in any way. They have like one of our videos on their website. That's the extent of it. We don't get paid. I pay for this box with my own money. And we just like getting stuff from the parks when we're not able to go.
And you know, last time we kind of figured out that maybe they go to Characters Warehouse to get some of this stuff.
It's
we're guessing at that. We don't know that for a fact.
Yeah, but you know they give really good quality stuff for the price. This particular box is $29.99, and with shipping, it's around $40.
Yeah, and the way we kind of deciphered that, we put together
Shanghai stuff.
Well, yeah, the stuff from Disney Shanghai, and then we saw Theme Park Bruce video where he went to Character Warehouse and they had stuff from Disney Shanghai at Character Warehouse.
Yeah,
and some of the stuff that we had gotten in a box was on the shelves
actually,
there.
our last two boxes have had some Shanghai.
And it was on the shelves. It was on the shelves in his video. So we're wondering if maybe that might be how they're able to get some of the stuff to us at such a reasonable price.
Yeah, it's possible that has something to do with it.
I'm not complaining because it's great stuff.
No, we get a quality box every month. Also,
awesome.
they probably have annual passes, and so if they get stuff in the park,
discounts.
They get. But I mean. Yeah, why not?
Why not?
So we have taken the tape off. We have not looked inside, just like always. But we're gonna find out what's in the box.
That's just for you, Big Cicely said. It's Joey's World.
Or anyone who liked the movie Seven.
Right. Pop.
It's Gwyneth Paltrow's head. I'm just totally joking.
No.
So let's.
Wow, really?
Sorry. So let's unbox the magic.
We got two park maps.
Every month you get at least one park map, but this time we have two. So the first one is Epcot for the Flower and Garden Festival. We loved doing that last year in May. Unfortunately, we're not able to make it to Flower and Garden this year, but park maps are always good.
And Animal Kingdom, and there's a 20 on the Tree of Life. I wonder if that's the 20th anniversary.
It is. It is the 20th anniversary of Animal Kingdom.
Sweet.
But this is awesome. Got all kinds of animals on there with the Tree of Life. That's awesome. So we got two park maps, and two we didn't have before. Whoa. We don't have blue paper this
white
time.
Paper, as is tradition.
As is tradition.
We have to get our
You got your blood on mine. Alright, so let's see what this first
confetti
is. Oh, what is it's a cup for Josie, I think.
For Josie.
Oh, and she's gonna love that.
Oh, she loves the carousel.
Okay, so Josie loves the Prince Charming's carousel at Magic Kingdom, and looky there.
That's pretty sweet.
So you got, what is it she always names her? Does she name her horse Skip?
Sparklebutt.
No, mine is Sparklebutt.
Oh.
I think she named him Skip.
Skip? Was it Skip?
Yeah, but as you can see, it's a tumbler with a straw.
That's right, it was you with Sparklebutt.
Yeah, because why not? But it's almost like a cup within a cup, and and one of them they spin. That is really awesome. Sorry, 3D.
Ooh.
The price point on this is 79 yen. So this is from Shanghai.
Shanghai, and there's something here that's like really wrapped up. So
Yeah. Well, let's see what.
there.
Yes. Oh. Okay. So you can never have enough hand sanitizer, and we just got a new one. And it looks like a Christmas one. It's Mickey and Minnie on a sled, and it's hand sanitizer. Like I said, you can never get enough of that. I've got one here that I bought actually from Magic Kingdom. I mean
because she loves
Haunted
Haunted
Mansion.
Mansion.
But like I said, you never have too many of these. So yeah, this is awesome. But you can see Mickey and Minnie on the sled, and it's red. Wait.
I know.
Wait. And this does not have a price point on it. But still, it's awesome. Because it's hand sanitizer. And you can never have enough. Because people are germy.
Look at that. We got snake skin. No, I'm kidding. It's packing paper. It looks like snake skin there. I'm guessing this is a mug because I feel the handle.
I can see the handle sticking out.
Oh.
We love the mugs, so. Oh no.
These aren't the droids you're looking for.
Oh, and it's got the symbol on it.
That's awesome. And on the other side, it's got. That is
Oh,
awesome.
that is awesome. Sometimes they have like those special.
Nothing. No. That's just gonna hold my coffee.
That's pretty awesome. You want to take this one to work?
Maybe we'll see. I
But
might want to drink out of it here.
the price point on this is $15.99. This is awesome. We usually do the big ones last though. Ooh. So they obviously know that not only do we collect mugs, but we collect refrigerator magnets. And guess what? We got an Animal Kingdom. Oh, that's awesome. And it's like raised right up here at the front.
This is Disney Canada.
Oh. Really?
See, it says Disney Canada. I wonder if Mermaid Jedi Adventures had anything to do with that.
Did you? Come on, A.
Did you guys do that?
Come on, take off, A. Did you do something with that?
You know, because some guys take their shift out and go up the wing with some speed and go to the net.
A.
So,
this is price point purple. So maybe it was probably just made in Canada, I would imagine.
Oh, Canada.
Our home and native land. Yes, I know that because I went to a lot of hockey games, especially in the 90s.
Yes, so right.
Oh, there's something else here.
Oh, what do we got there?
It is a postcard, and it is from my second favorite ride at Magic Kingdom. Yo-ho! Let's see. Yo-ho, mateys. What?
Huh.
Yo-ho, mateys, set sail on the Pirates of the Caribbean.
Sweet, that's the first time we've gotten a postcard.
I know. And then we had we have a kid in the boat waving at the dog and the three dudes.
And the three dudes behind the bars.
The three dudes. But yeah, it's a postcard. So if you want
price point $4.99.
price point $4.99. So if you want to if we wanted to take this and like send it to someone from the park.
There we go.
That's really cool, but I think this might be like a decoration.
I think it might be a decoration.
I think you're right. So,
Sweet.
All right, let me make sure. Another great box, though. Wow,
Yes.
we got another great box.
Taking the
Okay,
mug.
so
That's
all right, so
awesome.
to review, these aren't the droids you're looking for. We got the Pirates of the Caribbean, and this looks like a classic drawing
It does.
of some sort. And then
You got the refrigerator magnet.
And then we got
Hand sanitizer.
hand sanitizer with Mickey and Minnie.
And then two park maps.
Got 2 park maps for Animal Kingdom's 20th.
And
Epcot Flower and
Garden.
Garden. And Josie's one of Josie's new tunnels. She's going to love that.
She is. That's awesome right there. And you know what? We've been needing to get her some new cups with straws, so this works. We'll throw that bad boy in the dishwasher, get it cleaned up, and
We'll take it to the park.
put it into use.
Yeah, we can take this to the park.
Yes, we can.
So we're trying to be a little, normally I'm like, but we're trying to be a little bit quiet so we don't wake her up because she's in the other room. So,
She's asleep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So once again, another great box from our friends at Mickey's Mystery Box.
Thank you very much.
So we're gonna try to do a live stream. Hopefully, sometime next week. We'll see.
We're
see. Just so busy with Josie continuing dance during the summer and nationals coming up and your bowling and me getting Josie to to dance and but the trip vlogs, they will continue on Wednesdays. We're still in March of last year. See, he stopped when I did that, didn't he? Dork. All right, guys. So for Josie,
Gooch,
I'm Sherry, and we are the Disney Beans. And as we always love to end our videos with, and we truly mean this with all sincerity, love, peace, rock, and a little bit of pixie dust.
wow.
Mwah.
See ya.
Bye, guys. We'll see you real soon.